Just arrived at the Lemon Tree Hotel in Jaipur. Nice desk, TV. Nice chair. And most importantly for me, a room with a view. Hundreds of rooftops, people's houses, offices. So I'm not going to be short of something to look at. No. And we're away from the road as well. That's good.
That's my side of the bed because I sleep on that side.
Size of the bed. It could even get another one. Look. Oh, right, I wondered who that was. It was me. Oh, close. Yeah. Prop thing. Plenty of storage space. Oh, mini fridge. Yeah, safe. Slippers, ironing board. And the bathroom. Nice shower. You can't smell it, but everything smells lemony at the Lemon Tree, so that's nice. Favourite flavour? Lemon hand wash, lemon body lotion and bath. That's not great, but it's okay. Yeah. Alright.